Hello everyone, this is Farooq Azam and you are watching me on Off-Wheels Talks. I am here today with my two students, Miss Razia
Yes, sir.
and Mr.
Ejaz.
Ejaj. Today we are here just to record a video and this will be especially the video and in this video we will have conversations. They will have especially conversation. Here Ejaz is going to play a role of a principal. Ejaz is going to play a role of a principal. He is a principal in one of the school, right? And you need a science teacher.
Okay.
We have Razia,
Yes, sir.
and she is here as a teacher actually. As a teacher means she got news about his school that in his school there is a need of a science teacher. So you are coming here for an interview.
Okay.
You are coming here for an interview. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
You are already a science teacher
Yes, sir.
and you were teaching in Patna in the past.
Okay.
You are local from Darbhanga, but you were teaching in Patna. Now you have left Patna and come back in Darbhanga, and someone told you, one of your friend told you that there is a need of a teacher of a science subject in his school.
Okay.
So you are coming for interview. And dear audience who are watching us, if you really want to learn how to talk in English, these kind of videos can be very good for you. Because we all know, learning any kind of language, there is a need of two works to do. The first one is to listen, and second one is to try to speak. After listening this video, you can talk with your friends, with your relatives, or with any other person with whom you are living. Watch such videos if you are interested to learn how to speak. Now I'm going to start this conversation between, especially interview between Mr. Ejaz and Miss
Razia.
Razia. One more thing, if you are watching first time and you have not subscribed, do it so that the next video when I'll upload, you will get it notifications and you can get the chance to watch it. Okay, so now I'm going to start. Ma'am, you are a teacher coming for interview and you are a principal of one of the school. Maybe the name of the school take as Oxbridge International
Yes.
School. Is it all okay?
Yes.
Can we start?
Yes, sir.
Action. He is in the cabin. He is in the cabin, in his cabin. And you are coming from outside. You are coming from
Outside.
outside for interview. His gate from inside is bit close. Look it
Hmm.
and ask. You start from, may I come in, sir?
Okay.
Well, speak.
May I come in, sir?
Once again, repeat.
May I come in, sir?
Yes, come inside.
Thank you, sir.
Speak again.
Thank you, sir.
Okay,
It's
most
okay.
welcome.
Most welcome. Bed, please.
Sit,
Sit down.
sit down.
Okay.
Thank
Thank
you
you
very much, sir.
very much.
जी आप बताएं किस लिए आप आए?
You tell why have you come here?
Wait, repeat.
Tell why have you come here?
सर मेरी एक दोस्त बोली है कि आपको एक साइंस की टीचर की जरूरत है.
Sir, my friend.
Sir,
Sir,
my
one my
one
friend.
friend,
Sir, my friend.
my one friend
My one friend
बोली है.
saying,
It's a very तरीके से.
told,
Huh? My one friend has
told.
told me.
My one friend has told
Yeah,
me.
what's the problem? No, people are not coming. No one. हाँ, yeah.
My friend has.
मेरी एक दोस्त बोली है, वेदरी में है, आप घबराओ मत, आराम से बात करो. मेरी एक दोस्त बोली है कि आपको साइंस की टीचर की जरूरत है.
My one friend has told me.
Repeat with the sound.
My one friend has told me there is need a science teacher,
And मैं
And-
साइंस की टीचर हूँ,
and I am a science teacher.
इसलिए
So
मैं इंटरव्यू के लिए आई हूँ.
I'm
I have
coming.
come
I have come
for
for
interview.
interview.
Yes, I
Okay.
need a science teacher.
Teacher. One second. क्या मैं आपका रिज्यूमे देख सकता हूँ?
Can I see your resume?
वेरी गुड. Speak with sound.
Can I see your resume?
Can I see
See
your
your resume.
resume?
Yes, sir.
क्यों नहीं?
Why not?
ये है मेरा resume.
This is my resume.
Give also. Wait.
This is
Again,
my resume.
resume. Whenever you give resume, don't give like that. This is your valuable document. You respect it. So
Yes.
how should you give? Sir, this is my
Resume.
resume. Again give.
Sir, this is my resume.
Thank you
Okay,
very much.
thank you very much.
अपने बारे में आप कुछ बताइए.
You tell about
You
your
tell me something about
you tell me something about
yourself.
yourself.
Repeat.
You tell me something about yourself.
सर मेरा ना अपने
Sir.
इंट्रोडक्शन दीजिए.
Sir, my name is Razia Praveen.
क्लास.
Um,
एंड मैंने ग्रेजुएशन किया है.
I'm completed the graduation.
Repeat.
I'm
I
completed
am
the.
हो सकता है.
नहीं, I have.
Yes.
I have completed the graduation
And
and
मैंने
now
बीएड भी किया है.
and
मैंने किया है.
I
It's a B3.
I have
Done
I have done B.Ed also.
also.
Yeah.
And sir,
And sir,
मैं एक स्कूल में पढ़ा रही थी.
I am teaching in a school.
रहा था.
I was teaching in a school.
फिर से पूरा बोलिए.
I was teaching in a school.
आप पढ़ा रही थी.
You was teaching.
You were.
Yes.
You were teaching.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
कहाँ?
Where?
पटना में से.
In Patna.
Repeat.
In Patna.
मैं पटना में पढ़ा रही थी.
I was teaching in Patna.
Repeat.
I was teaching in Patna.
फिर आपने छोड़ क्यों दिया?
Then why have you left there?
Because it's too far.
No, सर मेरा घर दरभंगा में है. अब मैं पटना में थी.
Sir, my house is in Darbhanga,
But मैं पटना में थी.
but I was
there
in Patna.
पटना. तो मैंने सोचा.
Then I thought
अगर मुझे पढ़ाना है.
if I
have to teach. So better मैं अपने डिस्ट्रिक्ट में आके पढ़ाऊं.
So better I come to my district and teach.
Okay.
Okay.
तो आपने कितने साल वहाँ पढ़ाया है?
How many years you were teach there?
No, it's a B3 past.
How many
B3 present में.
how many year you had teach there?
Have you taught there?
Have you taught there?
Repeat.
How many year
आपने कितना साल पढ़ाया है?
how many year are you taught there?
How many years have you taught there?
How many year have you taught there?
सर वहाँ मैंने 2 साल पढ़ाया.
Sir, I have taught 2 years there.
कौन सा सब्जेक्ट?
Which subject?
सर मैं साइंस और मैथ्स दोनों पढ़ाती हूँ.
Sir, I am teaching a science.
आई एम टीचिंग कैसे होगा? मैं पढ़ाती हूँ.
I was.
अरे मैं पढ़ाती हूँ. बार होता अभी मैं B5 होता ना मैडम.
Teaching.
Yes, sir.
मैं साइंस एंड मैथ्स दोनों पढ़ाती हूँ.
Sir, I am teaching
सर मैं मैथ एंड साइंस दोनों पढ़ाती हूँ. आई टीच साइंस एंड मैथ बोथ.
Sir, I teach science and maths both.
कौन से सेक्शन में?
In which section?
लाइक आप जूनियर को पढ़ा रही थी कि सीनियर को?
You were teach their junior or
You were
senior?
teaching
You are teaching their junior or
to the
senior?
junior
To the junior or
or
senior?
seniors. Repeat.
You are teaching
There.
there to the senior or junior?
मैं वहाँ सीनियर को पढ़ाती थी और used to come in here.
Sir, I used to teach
the seniors.
the senior.
मैं पढ़ाती थी 8th class, 9th class
I
and 10th
teach.
class.
I taught 8th class, 9th class, 10th
and
class.
Okay.
मुझे भी एक साइंस के सीनियर टीचर की जरूरत है.
I have need also a science teacher
for senior batch.
for senior batch.
मुझे लगता है कि आप मेरे लिए सही कैंडिडेट हैं.
I think you are good candidate for me.
Good candidate.
You are good candidate for me.
Repeat.
I think you are good candidate for me.
Thank you very much,
Thank
sir.
you very much, sir.
It's okay.
It's
तो
okay.
अगर मैं आपको पढ़ाने का मौका दूं तो आप कब ज्वाइन कर सकती हैं?
If I will give you chance,
के साथ मिलने लगता
If-
अपने आप.
if I give you chance to teach, from when
Can you teach?
can you teach?
सर मैं ऑलरेडी छोड़ के आ चुकी हूँ तो मैं
Sir.
अभी फ्री हूँ.
Sir, I already.
Have come
Sir, I already have come
living a school.
leaving the school.
मैं अभी फ्री हूँ.
Now I am free.
तो अगर आप मुझे कल से कहे तो मैं कल से भी आ सकता
if you told,
हूँ। If you tell कल से
tomorrow to
from tomorrow
from tomorrow,
मैं कल से पढ़ा सकती हूँ।
I'm coming to
मैं
tomorrow.
कल से पढ़ा सकती हूँ।
I have
I
teaching.
can teach
from
tomorrow also।
from tomorrow also.
कल तो संडे है,
Tomorrow is Sunday.
सो ये संभव नहीं है।
This is not possible.
मैं एक काम करता हूँ आपके लिए।
I do one thing for you.
आप मंडे को आइए एंड 5 दिन मुझे डेमो क्लास दीजिए।
You come directly on Monday and you give me five
demo
classes.
अगर हमारे स्टूडेंट आपसे खुश है,
If my students are happy with you,
मुझे कोई दिक्कत नहीं,
I don't have any problem.
आपको जॉब मिल जाएगा।
You must will give.
You will get the job।
You will get the job.
Okay, sir.
Thank you very much, sir।
Thank you very much, sir.
मैं मंडे को आ जाऊंगी।
I will come on Monday.
So cooperate with the time।
I will come on Monday.
Sir, स्कूल की टाइमिंग क्या है सर?
Sir, the school time.
What is the timing
Sir, what is the timing of
the
school?
school? हमारा स्कूल 7 से 1 है अभी।
My school is 7 to 1.
आपको आना है 6:30 बजे तक।
You have come.
You have to come।
You have to come 7 by 7.
6:30, 6:30 a.m. 7 से स्कूल है, आधा घंटा पहले स्टार्ट
Okay.
हुआ है, तो आपको 6:30 बजे तक आ जाना है।
You have to come by 7:30.
You have to come by 6:30।
Okay.
7:30 बुलाएंगे, 7 से स्कूल होगा तो 6:30 पे बुलाएंगे। Repeat।
You have to come 6:30.
By
By 6:30.
Repeat।
You have to come by 6:30.
It's okay sir।
It's okay, sir.
No problem।
No problem.
मैं आ जाऊंगी।
I will come.
सर मुझे एक क्वेश्चन है सर।
Sir, I have one question.
Repeat। 1 तो A नहीं और A तो 1 नहीं। I have a question।
Sir, I have a question for you.
क्या?
What? Ask.
सर मेरा सैलरी क्या होगा?
Sir, what will be my salary?
आपको वहाँ कितना मिल रहा था?
How much were you get there?
Getting there।
Getting there.
Repeat।
How much were you getting there?
Everything is fine? Yeah। How much were you getting there? सर वहाँ तो मुझे 25,000 सैलरी मिल
Sir,
I was
getting 25,000 there.
नहीं, यहाँ मैं 25 तो नहीं दूंगा, लेकिन अच्छी सैलरी दूंगा।
Here I will not give 25,000,
लेकिन
but I will give good salary.
सर अगर आप बता देते तो मेरे लिए
Sir, if you told
if
you tell me right now,
हाँ ये मेरे लिए अच्छा हो।
this is good for me.
देखिए हम लोग मैक्सिमम 20,000 देते हैं।
See, we will give maximum.
हम देंगे ये नहीं बात कर रहे हैं, हम मैक्सिमम अपने टीचर को 20,000 तक देते हैं।
See, we give
maximum
for my teacher
20,000। लेकिन
but
किसकी कितनी सैलरी है वो डिपेंड करता है कि वो पढ़ाने में कैसा है। how much salary is?
How much salary is? It's depend on my.
It depends on the teacher।
It's depend on the teacher.
It's not it।
It depend on the teacher.
It depends।
It depends on the teacher.
कौन कैसा है?
Which how?
Who is how?
Who is how?
अच्छे कैंडिडेट के लिए हम ज्यादा भी दे सकते हैं।
For good candidate, I can give much.
More also।
तो
पहले आप आए पढ़ाए, उसके बाद हम लोग सैलरी की बात करेंगे।
First you come and teach my student, then after I will decide how much I give you.
ठीक है सर?
Okay, sir.
No
No problem.
मैं मंडे को 6:30 बजे आ जाऊंगी।
I will come on Monday at 6:30 p.m. a.m.
It's okay।
It's okay.
सर मैं टिफिन अपना लेकर आऊंगी या आप देंगे? I will bring my tiffin।
Sir, I will bring my tiffin।
और आप
you
मुझे देंगे?
You give me।
You will give me।
You will give me।
I'm sorry।
आपको अपना टिफिन खुद लाना है।
You have to take your tiffin yourself।
You have to bring your tiffin।
You have to bring your tiffin yourself from your home।
हम ये फैसिलिटी नहीं देते हैं।
I can't give this। I don't give this facilities।
It's okay sir।
It's okay sir।
तो मैं मंडे को आती हूँ सर।
Then I come on Monday।
क्या मैं जा सकती हूँ सर?
May I go?
Sir।
May I go sir?
Repeat with sound।
May I go sir?
जी। Yes, okay।
आप जा सकते हैं।
You can go।
Okay, thank you sir।
It's okay।
It's okay।
Can we clap for them? My dear audience, those who are watching there, for you some messages are there. If you are really interested to learn how to speak, don't miss my video. And I'll try to upload a video daily or alternate day. Watch it again and again and try to talk with the friends. And if you do so, I confirm you can also learn how to speak. Just to learn, do this, do that, it's not going to help you. You have to do originally actually. And these kind of videos can help you a lot. So if you like it, you must share, and plus share, you must share with the friends. And don't forget to subscribe if you are watching the first time. Thank you. Goodbye, Mr. Ajaz.
Yes.
Goodbye. And bye, ma'am. Once again, clap for them. Great. Great.